Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Rutledge, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson City, Rutledge, Lone Mountain, Panther Creek State Park, Joppa, Buffalo Springs, and Sand Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is no